Crafting a business plan is a crucial step in launching a successful business. It serves as a roadmap helping you outline your business goals, strategies, and the steps necessary to achieve them. A well crafted business plan not only attracts potential investors and partners, but also provides a clear vision for your company's future. Let's explore 5 essential steps for crafting your business plan, with practical examples to illustrate how to make your plan compelling and effective. Step number 1, executive summary. The executive summary is the first section of your business plan, but it should be written last. It provides a concise overview of your business, including your mission statement, products or services, target market, and financial highlights. And here's an example. Imagine you're starting a sustainable fashion brand. Your executive summary might begin with, EcoChic is a sustainable fashion brand committed to reducing environmental impact by using organic and recycled materials. Our mission is to provide stylish, eco-friendly clothing options to environmentally conscious consumers. We aim to capture 5% of the sustainable fashion market within the first 3 years, generating $2 million in annual revenue. The key components are your mission statement, clearly state the purpose of your business, the business description, provide an overview of what your business does, your market analysis, briefly describe your target market and market potential, and financial projection. Highlight expected revenues and profitability. Step number 2 is the company's description. This section dives deeper into the specifics of your business. It should cover your business history, structure, location, and the problems your product or services solves. For example, a tech startup developing an AI-powered personal shopping assistant, the company's description might include Tech Shopper, founded in 2023, is a San Francisco-based startup that offers AI-driven personal shopping experiences. Our software analyzes consumer preferences and provides personalized product recommendations, simplifying the shopping process. Tech Shopper addresses the growing need for efficient and personalized online shopping solutions. The key components here are the company overview. Describe the business founding and legal stature. Location and facilities. Mention your business physical or virtual location. Product or service offering. Detail what you sell or offer and how it solves a problem. Step number 3 is market analysis. Market analysis is crucial for understanding the competitive landscape and identifying opportunities for growth. This section should include a thorough analysis of your industry, target market, and competitors. Say, for example, if you're launching a digital marketing agency targeting small businesses, your market analysis could state the digital marketing industry is projected to grow by 15% annually, driven by small business increasing reliance on online channels. Our target market consists of small businesses in the hospitality and retail sectors where digital presence is critical for growth. We face competition from established agencies, but our niche focuses on hospitality and retail provides a unique selling point. The key components are the industry overview, describe the current state and trends of your industry, your target market, define your ideal customers and their demographics, competitive analysis, identify your main competitors and their strengths and weaknesses, market needs, explain the needs of your target market and how your business meets them. Step number 4 is organizational structure and management. This section outlines your business organizational structure, including the management team, their roles, and qualifications. It also includes information about the company's ownership. And for this example, we're going to use a craft brewery. The organizational structure might include our management team consists of 3 co-founders. John Smith, CEO with 10 years of experience in brewing. Jane Doe, CFO, a certified public accountant with a background in the beverage industry. And Mark Johnson, COO, who has managed several successful bars and restaurant ventures. The company is privately held with each co-founder holding an equal share. The key components are ownership structure. Detail the ownership percentage of each owner. Management team. Introduce key members and their qualifications. Roles and responsibilities. Define the roles and responsibilities of each team member. And finally, step number 5, financial projections. Financial projections are essential for demonstrating the potential profitability and financial health of your business. This section should include projected income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. For example, an e-commerce platform selling handmade goods, financial projection might look like this. We project a revenue of $500,000 in the first year with a 20% annual growth rate. Initial investment in website development and marketing are expected to total $100,000. By the end of the third year, we anticipate reaching $1 million in annual revenue, achieving profitability in the second year. The key components are the income statement, which gives your projected revenue, costs, and profits, your cash flow statement, your expected cash inflows and outflows, balance sheet, your assets, liabilities, and equity, and break-even analysis, where the business is expected to become profitable. Creating a business plan is an invaluable step in launching and growing a successful business. By following these 5 steps, crafting an executive summary, detailing the company's description, conducting market analysis, defining the organizational structure, and outlining financial projections, you can develop a comprehensive and compelling business plan. This document not only serves as a guide for your business journey, but also as a tool to attract investors, partners, and stakeholders. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is a living document that should evolve as your business grows and the market changes. We will leave a link in the description box of some free resources that can help you craft and develop your own business plan. With a clear and detailed business plan, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead, turning your entrepreneurial vision into a thriving reality. So if you're ready to be your own boss and achieve financial freedom, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment below, and also join our community. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kareen and I do have a background in both accounting and business. Thanks for watching, and until then, believe in yourself and keep chasing your dreams. You got this.